बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ASF Public School Junior Section Class 3, I am Ms. Samra, SST teacher. Dear students, today we are going to study the lesson Provinces. This lesson will be completed in two parts, Part A and Part B. Introduction of the lesson. Students will enhance the knowledge about our country. Topics are divided into Part A and Part B. Part A, administrative divisions. Number 2, Sindh. Number 3, Balochistan. And in Part B, Punjab, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Reading and explanation. Each province has its own capital city where it has the provincial government offices. In addition to these four provinces, Pakistan has four administrative divisions. These are Gilgit-Baltistan, federally administered tribal areas, FATA, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and Islamabad Capital Territory. Provinces and their capitals: Sindh, Karachi, Balochistan, Quetta, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar, and Punjab, Lahore. Sindh. Sindh is a flat land and some parts are wide deserts. The third desert is the largest desert in the country. The river Indus flows through the province. Most of it is sandy wasteland, but some land has been cultivated through irrigation. There are many farms in Sindh. The cities have factories and industries. The capital of Sindh is Karachi. Balochistan. Balochistan is to the southwest of Pakistan. It is dry, rocky and mountainous. The capital of Balochistan is Quetta. The Quetta Valley is fertile and rich in fruit farming. Balochistan is rich in mineral resources and natural gas. The gas in our homes comes from Sui and other areas of the province. It is therefore known as Sui gas. Punjab. Punjab is mostly a plain covering eastern parts of the country. Some areas in the north are hilly plateau. The river Indus and its 5 tributaries make the plains very fertile. The province is rich in agriculture and food production. It is known as the food basket of Pakistan. Punjab has developed industries, especially in textile and dairy products. The capital of Punjab is Lahore. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Mountains and forests cover much of the province. The province has thick forests of pine, deodar and shisham. It is rich in minerals and natural resources. Mining is the major industry of the province. Wood carving and furniture making is also an important industry. The Khyber Pass links the province to Afghanistan. Explanation. Number 1, administrative divisions. As you know, Pakistan has 4 provinces: Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Their offices are working in the region. Government of Pakistan divide them in 4 administrative divisions. Their names are Gilgit Baltistan, federally administered tribal area, in short FATA, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, and Islamabad Capital Territory. They are further subdivided into districts, tehsils, and finally union councils. The administrative divisions are responsible for planning and manage to resources and finance. These finance distribute among these subdivisions. These smaller units to make managing their land and the affairs of their people easier. पाकिस्तान के तमाम सूबों को इंतज़ामी उमूर के लिहाज से 4 हिस्सों में तकसीम किया गया है, जिनके नाम आपको पहले बताए गए हैं। मज़ीद जिनको डिवाइड किया गया है हिस्सों में, इन तकसीम शुदा हिस्सों को मज़ीद हिस्सा करके डिस्ट्रिक्ट, तहसील और यूनियन कौंसिल बनाई गई हैं। ये तमाम यूनिट्स फ़राइज़ की तकमील को आसान और यकीनी बनाते हैं। Sindh province. Sindh province is located in the South Pakistan. It has Thar Desert, the largest desert of the country. It has most important mountain range called Kerthar Range. The Arabian Sea is located in the south of Sindh. The Indus is the longest river of Asia. It passes through Sindh province. People in villages mostly do farming. There are famous lakes, Kinjar Lake, Manchar Lake and Haleji lakes. Its capital city is Karachi. It is an industrial city. सिंध पाकिस्तान के जुनूब में वाक़ है। यहाँ पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा सहरा थर वाक़ है। सिंध की मशहूर पहाड़ी चोटी का नाम केरथर है। इसके जुनूब में अरेबियन सी बहता है। इंडस रिवर जो एशिया का सबसे बड़ा रिवर है, वो सिंध से गुज़रता है। गांव में रहने वाले ज़्यादातर लोग काश्तकारी करते हैं। सिंध की मशहूर झीलों के नाम मंचर, किंजर और हालेजी हैं। इसका दारुल खिलाफा कराची है, जो कि एक सनती शहर है। Balochistan is the longest province of Pakistan. It is located in southwest of Pakistan. It has Haran Desert. Fishing is important in Balochistan. Its main rivers are Job River, Dasht River and Hangol River. It is fertile and rich in fruit farming. Its capital is Quetta. It is rich in minerals, resources and natural gas. It is the least populated province. Gwadar its main port city. बलूचिस्तान पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा सूबा है। ये पाकिस्तान के जनूब मगरिब में वाक़ है। यहाँ खारान नाम का सहरा है। बलूचिस्तान के लोगों के लिए माहीगीरी का पेशा बहुत अहम है। यहाँ के मशहूर दरिया दश्त, जोब और हंगोल हैं। क्वेटा बलूचिस्तान का दारुल खिलाफा है। इस सूबे की आबादी सबसे कम है। इस सूबे से हमें कुदरती गैस हासिल होती है। ये सूबा फलों की काश्तकारी के लिए मशहूर है। गवादर यहाँ की बंदरगाह है। स्टूडेंट्स, पार्ट ए इज़ completed and now you have to open part B video lesson. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.